What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Eightytu, and in this episode I will be building a new desk for my studio. Let's get right into it. Time for the best part, the unboxing. This desk is really easy to build, 8 screws on the bottom and 1 in each corner. The frame is made out of metal attached to 4 legs. The tabletop is moisture and stain resistant. It's 49 inches long and 29 inches wide. Tools included in the package. By the way, this is a Melltorp table. It's a kitchen table, very stable, and I like the white top. I think it's perfect for what I'll be using it for. I'll link the table below. And this concludes today's episode. The table is set up. I will be using this table as my unboxing table. I got this table at Ikea for $70, so not bad. In the next episode, I will be working on either audio or lighting, so stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.